In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your BankMobileVibe account to your Cash App for easy money transfers. First, open your Cash App on your mobile device and locate the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to proceed. Next, select Link Banks and then Link Debit Card on the following screen. Choose BankMobileVibe from the options provided and follow the authentication steps. Once authenticated, log in to your BankMobileVibe account. To transfer money from your BankMobileVibe account to your Cash App, tap on the bank icon within Cash App. Then select Add Cash. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and tap Add. After a brief processing time, you will receive a confirmation screen indicating the successful transaction. That's all there is to it. It's a straightforward process that allows you to seamlessly link and transfer funds between BankMobileVibe and Cash App. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and updates.